Hello everybody, welcome back to another day in Floston Paradise. Now as I go, I know I do weird things and I haven't really explained why I do them. Just like this roof peak, we have the long 20-footer going up and then we didn't do this corner. Some people may wonder why I didn't balance the two. Reason being is our climate and our winds, it really dries out corners and rots wood like crazy. I fully expect that this corner of the fascia boards are going to rot out in a couple of years. So what we did was we made up these corner pieces that my dad is currently holding, which he might hold up. See? That's going to go into the corner. So when it rots, when, not if, it's easy. We just change out that corner and then we're good to go again. So we're going to install this corner on the southeast wall here and then continue along the east wall with the rest of the trim and then finish off on the northeast corner. So let's get started. Well, if you notice our gloomy skies, rain is a-coming. We need to hurry up, get this roof done, so everything doesn't get soaking wet. Perfect ladder placement if I've ever seen it.
Yeah, I went a little too far with the ladder, I think.
Alright, I got the OSB here on this little wall nailed. It was bugging me not being there, so I figured we were here, put it on. That's the baby girl talking. I don't know if she's complaining being out here or if she's liking being out here, but I don't know. Anyway, this portal wall needed a 3-inch nailing pattern on every stud, so it's a little 3-inch grid. A lot of nails went into this sheet. Well, that's basically how the building looks. The roof is done, except for the roof part, but you know, the wood part of the roof is done. So, you know, that's good. Our impending 2-week doom of rain here is soon approaching. Called the guy who's going to be out here this afternoon to do the underlayment for us. That should protect the roof until we get the plumber in here to do his pipes and stuff, and I actually put shingles on it. Anyway, so he'll be here this afternoon, nail that up, and that should protect it.